Alright guys, hey, today is the 15th, right, of December. We done missed a couple days of Vlogmas, but we're gonna catch up and make up for it with today's vlog. So we're going somewhere special. The kids don't know. G, you know where we're going?
No.
You have an idea where we're going?
Santa's wood shop or the North Pole.
Baby, you gonna say something to the people?
Yeah, man, we're there, you know. They don't know the Top Chef family, you know. Yeah, man, big up.
Yes.
Night time, right?
Yeah, it's dark outside. So we're gonna go on the road now. We'll like come back once we reach. Alright, later.
Yeah, man, we're there. I buy some gas, you know. Snap break, you know. Everybody there. Jay, watch out. The one day over this knockout coal. And you don't know enough of it. You see me, we're there. Yeah, man, we're buying some gas, you know.
Talk about my friends at DC Richard & Son. This has been my go-to store for years now. It's a local company, family owned, and they truly care about their customers.
Road tripping. Just a little piece.
That's it, no?
The big old ship. That's really huge. What the hell? That's the whole museum. Like, we gotta go there one of these days.
To go further down the city, World Trade Center.
The towering dinosaurs of prehistoric Christmas. The enchanting tunnel of lights. Larger than life holiday Barbie.
Gee, wake up, man.
Gianna!
Santa photos, refreshments, and more. Magical memories, one low price. Open now through December 30th. Tickets available at Ticketmaster.
Germs spread fast, especially with respiratory illness.
The city's so pretty. That's the one thing about the city. Like, it has nice stuff, but
There are things we can do to stay
so
healthy.
clustered.
Wash your hands.
My throat hurts so
See
bad.
lights, G?
There's no way I can sing tonight.
Concrete jungle,
Vicks
dreams
Vapor
are
Cool Drops.
leaving.
Yeah, Vicks Vapor Cool Drops has maximum strength menthol with a rush of Vicks
This is
Vapors.
where I work, G.
I can already feel
The
it.
city.
I told you. So, you ready?
It's starting to look
I'm
cute.
ready.
Old school.
Vaporize sore throat pain fast with Vicks.
Alright, so we made it into the city. And we just walking. We had to park the car. And now we just walking to our destination. You still don't know where we're going, G? G,
I don't know where it goes.
Jazzy, say hi.
She says hi.
Alright, so when we pulling up, we will let you guys know.
Video, how about that?
Look,
What name? What is this?
is it?
Yeah.
Over your side there? That's Penn Station, babe. No, babe.
Mommy, look close the night before.
It says Pennsylvania Station. Oh.
The city that never sleeps.
Yeah.
Drugstore.
Miracle on 34th Street. Look at elves there. Oh, I'm here. I'm here.
Why was the girl's head under Santa's ear?
I don't know.
So good. So do you.
Hi.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
This is cute. We're in the train now.
Yeah. And just look at my outfit.
Okay, fit check, fit check.
We got North Pole right now.
Santa
We
Land.
are link up Santa Claus. All this time we never visit yet.
So yeah, babe, you gotta ask him why I'm never visit you?
Of course.
That's the boss of Santa.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the tree.
Gianna, you see the bakery right here?
The elf though, right? Gingerbread cookies, peppermint cookies, toasted, big
Yes, it says do not touch.
Yeah. Right there. Yeah, and little miss there, so. Trouble. Yeah, man, some goat there, so, and walrus. See the walrus, baby? And a donkey. 2 donkeys. I think the boy Santa over there, so.
What is this? Donkey park?
Donkey. I took a one.
Look, Gianna. They said they want you to be good.
And not cool with there, no?
That's cute.
It is.
It's so, everything's so tiny.
See Santa workshop under there?
Tiptoe.
Who's that? Oh, his name is Tiptoe? I didn't know that. We're going to Nice Street right now. You feel me? Tiptoe.
Yes. Two. So the wolves eat one. Right, Jay? Yeah, man, how much day left? How much day left, Jay? How much days? 10 days left?
I knew that already. There's nothing in the book. Comment, let's say. I forgot the other.
It's Carmen and Dancer and Vixen and Blixen. Donner and Connor and Bonner and Vixen.
That's the way.
Go on, Jay. Go on. Look at it. Jay. Oi. Look, Jazz. We ready to see Santa? Santa there around the town now, no? Them one of the top chef.
Hi. Oh, there's Santa. Hi. You ready to see Santa G?
Yes.
Yeah, man. I won't alone, them are watching there.
Alright, so you're waiting to go in.
Yeah, Santa.
What would you like for Christmas?
What are you getting for Christmas, Jazzy?
Santa? First time meeting Santa?
I tell you what, if you remember something later that you forgot now,
Look.
all you have to do is check with the grown-up, go to the window, raise it up a little bit, whisper it out, and I'll hear you, okay? So that way you don't have to feel bad that you didn't get to tell me.
Alright.
For you, little one, I'll give you love, health, happiness, joy, peace,
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Yes, Santa, you know, I have a couple things on my list, you know. I'm just messing with it. It's all about the kids, you know. Me? Well, not much. I pretty much have everything already that I need.
You know you're doing a good job, right? You do realize that.
I think so.
Because I know you worry about that sometimes. You worry that you're not doing as much as you need to.
Yeah.
You are. You don't need to worry. You've got this. Look at these beautiful little girls.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're cute. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. How was that?
It was so good.
You loved it?
Yeah, I want to go.
How was that, babe? Jazzy? What's your name?
Tiptoe.
Alright, so we just saw Santa.
And
We're walking back to the car garage.
And I walked back.
And we're trying to find something to eat. So, yeah. That's what we doing.
You don't know. Just got the North Pole. Left out of the North Pole garage now. Santa say big up everybody. Yeah, me ask the boy when him never come to Jamaica to feel, because when him say we never have no chimney, you know, like that.